This week's box is a heady romance and will have your house smelling amazing. Hey everyone, we've just received our weekly BLOOMBOX code box and we're gonna unpack it and show you how to do some flower arranging. This week's beautiful recipe has got foliages and some fresh paper whites to add in a bit of texture and movement to the arrangement. We've got a bit of a challenge for you floral rock stars. We're dealing with a beautiful leaf called the Gymea leaf and we're going to do some basic conditioning like all flowers that come out of the box. We need to trim the ends to open up their surface area. Any kind of secateurs will do, whatever you've got. Just give the ends a snip. You're wanting to snip both ends because each leaf is actually going to be put into the water source in your vase. And what you want to do is give it a bit of a rub and massage the leaf to add some angles and movement. If your leaves are not feeling pliable enough with your hand naturally massaging the leaf, give it a bit of a rub over the knee. And you just insert the leaf using the vase for support on either side. So we're going to be working with the viburnum, a beautiful foliage that's got some really good longevity. If there's any foliage or leaves that's going to be below the water source, you need to remove them because that will help with the longevity and also the vase life of the other flowers that you're going to add to your recipe. Working with the angles of the vase and in proportion, make sure that you're framing the arrangement so that you've got good height and good angles with everything else that's going to go in. We've got some silver splage that we're going to add. Again, just chop and then position so that the neck of the vase is going to support the flowers. This week's box has got the beautiful paper whites. They're a spring flower. They're just starting the season. Your bouquets and little bunches will have the rubber band positioned at the base. What you're going to do is move the rubber band up to just below the neck of the flowers. Give them all a trim and insert them as a cluster. This will add more impact.